This video will provide step-by-step instructions to help you set up your new internet gateway. Each gateway may appear slightly different, but the setup will be the same. And once complete, you'll be able to get the reliable network connection you need. Start by placing your gateway on an elevated surface with good ventilation and reception. If your gateway comes with additional antenna, screw them into the RF ports on the back. Connect the power cord to the port on the bottom or back of the gateway, then plug it in. On the front panel, the gateway LED indicator light will start blinking to show that it's powered on and is attempting to establish a connection. When the light turns solid white, your gateway is connected to the internet, it has a good signal, and is ready to go. Your gateway may have multiple LED lights. Please wait for all LED lights to turn solid white. Now that your gateway is ready, you can connect your devices to it in several ways. Option 1. Using your device, scan the QR code on the back of the gateway. Option 2. Look at the label on the back of the device. Manually enter the Wi-Fi name and password into your device. Option 3. Connect devices via an Ethernet cable. If your office has multiple devices already connecting via an existing router, you can connect to the gateway as a backup solution. Use the Ethernet cable provided and connect the LAN port of the gateway to the WAN port of your existing router. If needed, refer to the gateway setup page for additional information on IP pass-through. When setup is complete, you can begin using the Verizon network. If the blinking light doesn't change to a solid white light within 15 minutes of plugging in your gateway, try moving it to an area with better reception, like near a window or by an exterior wall. If the light continues to blink even after relocating the gateway, our tech experts are ready to help. To help our tech team map to the right device, first locate the mobile telephone number you received in the order confirmation email for business internet, or find the IMEI number on the label located on the back or bottom of the gateway. Then call Verizon Technical Support at 1-800-922-0204. Thank you for choosing Verizon to connect your business.